team present in the center. So they, as per their thinking, they are pollution development team had added the facility of taking the image of the vehicle. But it was happened that people are taking the image of a vehicle and just uploading that in the portal. Sometimes any other type of image also they are uploading to the portal, which is a little bit controversy, creating controversy. To get rid of that, we got the request of our HOG sir of Delhi, Jagdeep Som. Then we started some development on the work. We currently three, four type of validation we are going to impose. For the initial stage, two type of validations we have already imposed in this application. Currently, we had a meeting with Secretary Morth also. So he has suggested some new things to add. We are working on that. Very shortly, that will also come to this portal. We'll integrate that one. So in the initial stage, what we advise to you all, we just enable this validation, AI validation, only for the information of the PUC centers. If they will do if they any of them violated this type of thing, that means without coming the vehicle, if any pollution center is doing issuing pollution certificate, he can get a alert, and they will be in our watch. Okay. So from this we can that means department can know whether the AI model really work or not. Because see, this is the premature model. Just now we have implemented in Odisha and MP. So it is trained with some sorts of data sets. So sometimes the predictions may be wrong. False positive we may get. Due to that, we want to see both the things, whether it is a spoof or it is not spoof, whether the number detection is okay or not detect everything. We are giving the result to pollution team, and pollution team will pop up that to the user. User can know that I am uploading an image, the system is detecting inside image. Sometimes it may happen is the number plate, yeah, the vehicle's visibility is not proper, the number plate is not properly read by the camera. In those cases also you may get some false positive issue. In those cases, the pollution centers should be advised to take a repeated photo, that they have to retake the photo of that image of that number plate and the vehicle. So before going ahead, I just want to show you. I would like to show you the PPT. Little bit technical things are there because Pradeep ji and Gita ma'am is there. So I have added some technical things also inside that, along with the processes. Okay. So let's share the PPT. In between any doubt, you can ask us. Yes. Is it visible, Pradeep ji?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay, so this is basically the updates we will write because the process, how the pollution is doing by the pollution centers, everybody knows. Pollution to in 2.0 also, what is the architecture, how it is doing. Here we want to show you what are the updates, and a video will demonstrate you from the field where it is practically implemented to see how the things are going on in this system. So some of the part I will share. So our developer will share it. Actually, I'm little bit having throat problem. So my developer Rahul will demonstrate it. Okay. So just listen. In between that, I also clarify if you have any doubts. So these are the basic components we have started. Those things we have just mentioned in the front page. Vehicle type detection, which type of vehicle it is, spoof detection, license plate detection, and extraction. These are the modules. We already these are implemented in the system. Further, also we have got the video analytics to implement the probe whether the pollution centers are properly connected to that particular vehicle's tailpipe or not, whether the probe is connected properly or not, and the background of that pollution center, where the pollution is doing. All these things will be later on included in this process. But for that, we need a lot of data sets, and we are in the process of collecting those type of data sets so that academically we will develop the models. These are the things already implemented enhancement in the pollution version 2. So now Rahul will take over this presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. These are the let's start with the observations of PUC version 2. What we observed in the previous version of PUC version 2 before adding AI. Point number one, during uploading of images in PUC version 2, we take images, but we don't validate, and there is no backend validation of those images, whether the image contains an vehicle or whether the vehicle present at the center. We haven't any backend validation uh, in the PUC version 2 before AI. Second point is we don't have any vehicle number plate detection and matching mechanism uh, so that we can validate the exact vehicle is present for the pollution testing. And third thing, that during video uploadation also we don't have any backend validation, so that we can confirm that the vehicle is present and the genuine vehicle is present and the exact vehicle is present, so that we can confirm a PUC check happened to that vehicle, and we can ensure that that vehicle is under pollution under control. So these are our observations. After observing these kind of problems, we started uh, R&D on our solutions. These are the proposed modification, the proposed solutions we decided, and we have R&D these solutions, which are spoof detection, license plate detection and extraction, and vehicle type detection. And in future, we will be adding more enhanced security like video analytics and the silencer to probe detection and many more like that. And these solutions have significantly improved the security and enhanced the PUC version 2 with more authentication and validations, so that we can ensure that vehicle is present there and the exact vehicle is present there for the pollution test. Let's go into the architecture. What we have implemented, what the AI technology we have used in this flow. As we can see in the bottom part, the architecture part. In the architecture part, when let's start with the step by step. When a vehicle arrives at the PUC center, the PUC operator enters the vehicle number, and it goes to the database, and all the vehicle details come to the website. And after that, it will be automatically connected to the mobile app. In the PUC version 2, we use a dedicated mobile app to take videos, photos, and many more. Uh, so whenever operator enters the vehicle number, all the vehicle details comes to fetches from the Vahan DB to its website. And after that, when operator clicks on take picture, it will be automatically directs to mobile app. And in mobile app, whenever he logins with the same ID as in the website, the vehicle number automatically fetches from that website, and he has to take the photos of exact vehicle number. Uh, so in app, we have to take two pictures and one video of 5 seconds. Let's see. After coming to the mobile app, he has to take two pictures, one of the number plate and one is for vehicle image, and the both will be sent to our backend APIs, backend AI APIs to verify whether the images are genuine or not. And in between that, we also check the number in inbuilt the number extraction, detection and extraction is also inbuilt in the mobile application, where whenever operator clicks the number plate image, it automatically detects number plate presence and automatically extracts the number in the number plate and automatically matches with the Vahan vehicle number, whether it is matching or not. By this, uh, we can ensure that the same vehicle is present there with the same number plate. And in the second, and after extraction and detection of the number plate, we'll be sending that image to the backend AI APIs to verify whether it is a genuine image or a printed or photo image. This is the detection is called spoof detection. Here we are detecting spoof detection. As you can see in the bottom right, the number plate image is we can see the patterns by this. As we can see, the bottom right images of number plate and vehicle image, both are looking fake, and our APIs are detecting as fake. By this, we can ensure that the photos which are taken by operators are genuine and not a photo image. They are not spoofing the images. And in second step, the same logic will be applied. In the second step, we'll be taking a vehicle image, full vehicle image, and here we'll be adding a vehicle type detection, and the same thing will be happening again. We'll be sending that image to the backend APIs to verify whether the image is real or fake. Uh, After verification of number plate and the vehicle image, we'll be proceeding further to the video analytics. In video analytics, we are currently taking the images. In future, we'll be adding video analytics on the video, which we are taking of 5 seconds here. After all the verification and the authentication, we'll be pushing that data like it is genuine, it is the same vehicle, the vehicle detection happened, and the number plate detection happened, the vehicle number matched. There are many more authentication and validations in between the 4.1 to 5 steps. Like as you can see here, the sending images to APIs receive the score. In this all process, there are more than 5 to 6 validations happens. After all the verification successfully completed, then only we will be pushing that data into PUC cloud, and the PUC cloud will be sending that validation, get all the data and validation to the PUC website. Here we can here there are two restrictions can be happened. We can restrict the user to here only in the app only. Whether if the some validations are failed, we can restrict that operation in the app only, or else after taking all the authentication, we can restrict in the website also. After verification of all the photos and videos, we'll be pushing and we'll be getting the data in the website. And in the after getting the data of photos and videos genuinity, operator will start. Operator will will get the data of that smoke and some other parameters which he tests by putting this probe on the vehicle silencer. After getting all the data and validations of AI and the machines which he used for pollution check, after all the validations, the pollution certificate will be generated. If any of this validation fails, the pollution certificate will not generate, and a pollution failed certificate will be generated, and that will be given to the operator. And after that, he needs to retest or reapply for the pollution check. Uh, as we can see in the AI analysis, we are using a custom inbuilt CNN models. And in OCR, in number plate detection, we use custom detection model and OCR for extraction and matching. And we'll be our part is the AI backend APIs. We'll be just taking the images and analyzing the images, and we'll be sending a score. Depending upon the score, the app will be accepting that image or rejecting that based upon the scores, confidence scores, which which the AI APIs will be sending. These are the inner technical parts, like how the app will be working internally. As we can see, the app will be taking the frames and detecting the vehicle type, and it will be showcasing the type and extracting the number plate, exact number plate, and we'll be pre-processing it for OCR. And after OCR, it will be text will be extracted like this, and it will be matched against the one number plate. And after all this, we'll be displaying the outputs of validations. These are more internal technical things, vehicle type detection and spoof detection. And this is the license plate detection, extraction part, detection and extraction part. We are using YOLO model and OCR model to detect and extract. This is the more OCR pre-processing part. After extracting, we'll be doing some pre-processing to extract the exact and very validated OCR text, so that we can be matching with the Vahan DB, Vahan vehicle number. These are the key achievements which we got, like better vehicle detection accuracy and enhanced security with spoof detection. By this, we can ensure that the vehicle is present and the operator is not doing picture of picture. A genuine vehicle is present in front of him, and the reliable license plate extraction. Through this, we can ensure that the exact vehicle is present, which we are testing for PUC. And with all this validation, we can authenticate in real time that a genuine vehicle and exact vehicle is present in front of PUC center. In future, we'll be adding some more authentications, like video analytics will be added. Like as we take 5 seconds video, we'll be putting some authentications, the same authentication and more authentication will be put on the video analytics also. And one more thing which we have raised, that silencer to probe detection, which will be integrating, and we are currently R&D it, and it can be integrated in future work. And there are vehicle classifications also, like we have currently classifying 6 types of classes, and in future we will be adding more type of classes and in detailed classes, so that we can classify and compare with the Vahan DB classes. These are the impacts which we got.
So, hello. Hello, Pradeep ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Hello,
you.
Pradeep ji.
Thank you, sir,
Yeah.
for
So
your
these are the
initiative. Yes,
technical
am I
things.
audible?
Just 1 minute. Yeah, these are the technical things which have been done, and how we are detecting a vehicle is a spoof, and the image is spoof, the vehicle number plate is a spoof. Everything is detecting till now. Okay. So what the procedural implementation is there in the initial stage, we allowed both the type of the is a fake and the real. We are allowing both the vehicles, and we will take a statistics for few days as per the direction of SOMSA. Then only we can restrict those vehicles which are spoof. Okay, this will be the part. Second part here we have not mentioned, that is the geofence part. Okay, so now what we are doing for any static center, we can have a geofence of 50 meter or 100 meter, whatever may be. For Odisha, we have added 100 meters because sometimes in the lat long there may be some latency. So we make 100 meter radius, so that beyond 100 meters, the pollution center team app will not work. Okay. Then there will be more challenge when the pollution center is a mobile van. So in that case, currently, as per the design of pollution team, they have added a radius of some kilometers for a mobile van, so that the mobile van can move to this much of kilometers in a radius of its initial reference point and can issue pollution certificate. That is also customized, whatever kilometer, yeah, whatever distance you will, the state will require, accordingly it will be customized. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay. Just
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so if you have any doubt, you can call. Another thing, just we want to show you a video. Okay,
Please.
we are just showing you a video. No?
Download.
1 minute, just now we are downloading a video so that how it really works, we are
Sure.
just showing.
Sure, sure, sir.
No video. Download করুন। One is the fake, one is the real. तो share के लिए चलाओ। Share करो। So we are sharing the video, just the sheet, huh?
Sure, sure, sir.
This is not what you like. Different. Like, this is to be, this is how I'm planning. ये हम लोग का निकल शेयर हो गई। Okay.
Sir, if the sound is coming. Excuse me. Sir.
Yes, yes. Coming, coming.
Video sound is coming.
It's a music was there. We could hear that.
Okay, no, that's not needed, so we're muting that, okay? So let's change. Sound sound actually work this. Sound diagnosis. Okay.
Is it the matching and OCR match? What is the detected, break detected, and check, spoof check is free. What is for fake? And इसमें ये हो जाएगा। Real में भी real का भी।
The previous one was a fake one and this is the real vehicle, okay?
Real में but then what proof यहाँ पे three लिखा।
କାନୁନି ଯାଉଛି ଯାଉ ଦେଖିଦେ ସବୁ କୋଉଠି କଣ ହଉଛି କଣ ହଉଛି।
Next for real.
इसमें देखा Pradeep ji, here what you see, if the number plate is not properly visible to that camera, sometimes it may read it wrongly. See here it is 2, but it is showing 3. Because here it is the problem of the OCR mismatching. Okay, so this type of thing also we demonstrate. So we can show them so that academically they will take the photograph again. Okay. This is one more video in the process. This is the real vehicle.
The real vehicle.
Okay. So this is a real one. Let me see, he could
Okay.
able to say that this is a real vehicle. And here one more thing, we can also detect BS series numbers. Okay. Because the BS series number of plate is little bit different as per the
Yes,
standard
yes.
this thing. So you can see the BS series number. Okay. So it is able to read the BS series vehicles too. So these are the two technical things only you will say. And you hmm? Ah, yes. Download first.
Now, so screenshot एक बहुत कर रहे हैं.
Oh, screenshot.
Screenshot की बस है.
Download it.
ऐसे कर दो.
ये जो वीडियो है फील्ड लेवल वीडियो प्रदीप जी
Yes.
in the field we have taken
I
this
can
after implementation in some pilot
Okay.
states of Odisha. How they are working with
Okay.
the This is the PUC app. Okay, directly after entering the vehicle number in the computer system, they log into this PUC app, and from the PUC app, how they are working.
Okay.
This is
This is a live
the
one.
lat long verification. Okay, lat long verification, location verification.
Yes.
Okay, then it after successful location verification of that perimeter, then he allows the client to take the vehicle.
Okay.
इसका OCR मैच दिखा दिया. तो ये सक्सेसफुली इमेज का फोटो ले लिया.
उसके अंदर vehicle image.
मैंने व्हीकल का इमेज लिया. ओके, he has taken the vehicle image. एक 5 सेकंड का वीडियो लेता है एक्चुअली. This video analysis we will going to add very shortly. You get the vehicle. Here everything will keep. That means the pipe is connected or not. All these things we will take care of. Currently, we are not pushing hard them to take the entire video.
Okay.
Okay. What's it? ये हम लोग का एक क्या है स्टैटिस्टिक्स लिया था जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. हमने जब कुछ स्टेट में इम्प्लीमेंट किया टिल नाउ 24,000 व्हीकल इमेजेस स्कैन होके उसका प्रोसेस हमने किया. इसमें से हम देखा कि फ्रॉम हियर वी केम टू नो 1,700 vehicles are not genuine. Okay, so they are either they are taking the image of an image, so those are the spoof. So we have to decide whether those type of vehicles has to be rejected for further processing to get to not to get a PUC certificate. So that has to be decided by our authority. After decision, we can put it in the that check will be put it in the pollution application. So these are the reading the overcome of the previous limitations. We have just mentioned manual scrutiny, post certification disputes, enforcement and audit workload. So for this, if such type of implementation will be done, then obviously our enforcement people little bit will be relaxed because their work will be reduced. Because to nowadays they are getting the difficulties to check whether it's a genuine pollution certificate or not. So these type of things will be reduced. Okay. So
Yeah.
obviously it will improve the compliance, transparency, and trust in pollution services. Okay. These are some
Yes.
statistics we have. Okay. This was
Yes, sir.
anything else if you want.
Okay, great.
Ask, you can ask.
Great, great. Yeah, it's a great presentation and appreciate your initiative. So then I got couple of questions, queries
Yes.
actually, doubts.
Please, please.
So the first thing is that what I understand is that,
In front of me, my team is there, along with Somyo. Somyo is sitting,
yes,
who is doing your
hello,
Kerala
I,
EV. Okay. If you have any EV, also you can ask. He is sitting there.
yeah, great, great. So the first question is that this what I understand it is implemented in Orissa, right? This is
Yes.
implemented in Orissa? Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
This is the only state which is implemented currently and correct?
MP
And
and
you
Haryana, we
implemented
are
it?
planning to implement actually Pradeep ji.
Okay,
We are planning to
okay, very
implement
good, very good.
MP and Haryana. Okay.
Okay, MP and
So some
Haryana.
sites
Okay,
of MP have implemented. In Haryana, the request has placed. Till now, we have not get any response from them. They are planning in which
okay,
pilots centers it will be implemented. And from
okay,
UP, we got a recent request from PUCC. So we will implement in UP also. Then West Bengal team want to implement in West Bengal. After successful
okay,
running of 3, 4 states, it will be mandatory throughout this country.
okay,
Okay.
okay. So our Kerala is going to be the second state where we are going to implement it in full
Full
in
place.
all centers. So initially, as a pilot, my question is, can we just, if we give a list of PUC centers, can we just implement there only for testing
Yes,
for
it's possible.
1 or 2 days? Okay, great,
Yeah,
great.
yeah, it is
So
possible.
okay, so what I will do, I will just discuss with that associations here, and I will get some around 10, 15 centers, and
Hmm.
I will give the list of the PUC center codes, and we will implement there for 1 or 2 days.
Hmm.
Okay. If any issue, I hope we can immediately revoke it to the previous stage, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. And so the actually the it's a concern from it's I feel it's a very genuine concern that this will be like this spoofed images and that fake certificates and all. This can be reduced or completely curtailed only if we can implement this across the country. So
Yeah.
now, even after implementing here, suppose if someone sends this image to Haryana or some similar states, and they can still generate a certificate. This was
That will
our
happen
concern there.
initially. Initially, that will happen in Odisha. So that type of work is going on, no doubt. So after successful implementation, if depending on our feedback, 3, 4 state feedback, North will decide to roll out it throughout the
Correct.
country.
Yes.
That means
Yes.
their app will not work, current app will not work. That will be replaced by the this app. Okay, where AI is integrated. Actually, some
Okay.
more requests are also under pipeline, like sometimes simulated data also they are pushing to pollution center, to pollution
Okay.
database, simulated database, simulator
Okay.
data. Okay, so that
Understood.
is
Okay,
also
sir.
going to be restrict by imposing encryption methodology using DSC or like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Similarly, one more steps already with CIRT, it is discussed that one IP address to be provided to all the pollution centers so that that particular IP will be whitelisted and that can be only allowed to do the
Only through
testing.
that IP is only possible.
Through that IP only will receive the
Yes.
API
Yes.
of that
Okay.
pollution test. So that whenever some challenges will come, the particular pollution center will be penalized.
Correct. Okay. So,
Okay.
and next query is that, like currently in Kerala, we have enabled the OTP. but still there are a lot of complaints that we are receiving that suppose a case is failed here, one vehicle is failed here for testing. So immediately there are agents, they are sending it to Haryana for Kerala vehicles only. They are sending it to Haryana and getting the certificates in no time. So my actually I already suggested to that team that whether it's in Kerala or in Tamil Nadu in any state, if the vehicle is Kerala vehicle, that is scale registered vehicle, then can we implement OTP or similar some mechanism
No, there is a
for
restriction here.
restricting it? Yeah,
There is a
only for
restriction here.
Kerala.
Pradeep, there is a restriction here. All the pollution center of any states are configured as per the state's requirement. Okay.
Correct,
If
correct.
any state doesn't allow to implement this OTP verification, then even if our vehicle will go there, their OTP will not ask because in their application OTP is not validating.
I
Okay,
understand,
so
sir.
some states they are not enabled this OTP, but that's why just few days, yeah, they within couple of days before couple of days, a mail has come from Secretary North that everybody should implement this Vahan authenticated
OTP,
mobile number
OTP.
certificate.
Yes,
But
yes,
still, some
yes.
states are not doing. 4, 5 states actually not done. Out of the Haryana is one there. It is
Yes.
also surprised that from Odisha, when we started this in Odisha, around 18,000, we are getting the statistics. 18,000
Mm,
vehicle of Odisha got PUC from Haryana.
correct.
Okay, so all information are there with our HOD sir. He has already shared
Mhm.
this to Secretary North. So probably we will plan to implement this in Haryana first. But as Haryana
Okay.
government has not given their consent till now, we are not able to implement that one. But very shortly it will be implemented in Haryana and the pilot state as Kerala, we would like to roll out it first because we need some feedback to improve the system. That is very much essential for us because the premature
Okay.
system, although in Odisha it is working fine, we need to share it in some other states so that we can get a better feedback.
Okay. So earlier, I think even now, even like before implementing this the new APK, there are fake APIs are there in the market where the PUC centers are using fake APIs for pushing that images and videos. So if we implement this, I think only this API can be used for getting it so that other APIs cannot be used for Kerala, right?
See, fake. Currently, in this system, we have two options. One is whether we should allow the fake ones also, or whether we will not allow the fake ones. So initially, what Som sir has suggested, we will enable both the things in our app. That means, if it is a genuine, it will allow. If it is not genuine, also it will allow. But we will watch on those centers because we will have the data. Basing on that statistics, then we will decide whether we have to restrict this type of pollution center which are not uploading the real vehicles. Okay, so in that case, this type of activity will be completely stopped.
Okay. So currently it will
Okay.
go and in
Parallelly,
another
as a
couple of
testing, in the testing
testing,
phase of 10
testing.
to 20 days, 10 days later, it will be 10 days, we will test it.